सर, एक जनरल नॉलेज का क्वेश्चन पूछना था आपसे कि सक्सेस और लेगेसी में क्या फर्क है?
Yeah, this is a very serious question. Actually, success तू है, legacy मेरी है. He's too sweet. I keep joking with him, but truly, legacy is what you create for the ages.
Over generations.
Yeah, exactly. और ऐसे ही एक क्यूट से छोटे बच्चे हैं जिसने ना ही अपने बाप का सपना पूरा किया पर उन्हें अलग मुकाम पर ले गया. My brother, my friend, my partner in good times and bad too. The one and only Karan Johar.
Today, IFA honors Karan Johar for completing 25 years in the Indian film industry and creating a legacy for the ages. Let's have Karan Johar on stage and the biggest round of applause everyone in Abu Dhabi for this great filmmaker.
We just got to hear, understand, and know that it's been 25 years since this young man has been making films, and he's been part of every kind of entertainment in this country, putting always the most positive foot forward, sometimes making it very big, sometimes not making it so big. But the main quality Karan has is that he doesn't break. He keeps going on and on and on, and here are prayers for inshallah that you keep on making lovely films and entertain us.
I'm a bit like speechless, which is very rare for me to be. Okay, this is a big honor. Thank you, IFA. My father was very instrumental in starting the journey of IFA. He was here on the first year with Andre and Sabas and Viraf at the Millennium Dome, and I'll never forget that day where he was actually planning the seat. I have like people to thank for the journey. I'm going to first start with Yash Uncle, wherever you are. I have to thank my father who paved the way for me, and just every day, each day, I try to be the human being he was and is to the fraternity. I have to thank the one, the only, Shah Rukh Khan. When he said, "Kuch kuch hota hai, tum nahi samjhogi," I didn't realize that that line would remain resonant and be such a big part of pop culture even today. I am here, ladies and gentlemen, because of this man standing gorgeously and sexily in white. I stand tall because of him. To him and to Aditya Chopra, who basically paved the way for me. And lastly, this one's to Mom and my kids, Yash and Ruhi. Thank you, IFA. Thank you so much. I love you.
Thank you, Karan. God bless you. And for many, many more years of entertainment. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Karan. Truly a special moment, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Karan Johar.
What a proud moment, man. क्या बात है.
क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा.
Wow, you are. Wow. I'm damn excited. Wife के सामने अब मेरा पुतला खड़े रहेगा. Wow. I'll just stand next to you quietly like an accessory, baby. I remember as a kid, I used to be an encyclopedia geek. And they used to talk about this mythical place called Madame Tussauds in the encyclopedias. And then I was going through my mom's early pictures, and I was like, "Mom, when did you get a picture with the Queen?" She's like, "That's in Madame Tussauds, London." So I was like, wow, when you go to Madame Tussauds, you get to see all this cool stuff. So it's always been, since childhood, a very, very mythical place for me. So to have a wax statue to be immortalized in wax is truly a very, very proud thing for me. When I go to London, London mein mera putla hai yaar. Amazing yaar, kya bolu. And that too next to my wife, you know, when the launch was happening, it was a very, very proud moment for our entire family. My mother-in-law was like, come on, now you have to work hard. We want a statue of you also. Mama, we're going to London. Let me just add that my wife's putla is the sexiest of all. Yeah, okay, I'm partial, but it's cool. But baby, you and Morgan Freeman had the best wax statues. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out my pose, figure out my dress. It's gonna be you and me, baby. Husband, wife, Madame Tussauds London. Boom, baby. Proud Indian. Thank you. Thank you, Madame Tussauds. Thank you, Aifa. And thank you, Mumbai, Meri Jaan. I love you. Good night.
What a proud moment. Ranveer Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Ranveer Singh, guys.
It's blessing enough for me that I actually made it as an actor. It's actually a miracle that's made possible by the blessings of my family, my mother, my father, my sister, who, with their love and support, I'm able to live my dream every day, to do what I'm really passionate about doing. Hey, I do what I love to do for a living, and there's nothing greater than that. It's a gift. And I'm grateful for that every single day. And that's enough for me. Just the fact that I'm an actor. So this, recognition like this, is truly overwhelming. I would like to dedicate this award to the team of Padmavat, who worked very hard to try and make something special. Most of all, to Sanjay sir, who shaped and molded me into the actor that I am today. And to all my directors who've made me into the actor that I am today. My wife is sitting right there in the front row looking damn proud of me and looking damn fine. I mean, what more could I ask for? Aur kya mangu main upar wale se? I'm extremely humbled by all the love I've received over the years. And I hope I'm able to do my best in times to come. Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, Aifa. Good night and good movies. Thank you.
Big hand for Ranveer Singh, such a superstar, so inspiring. Love you, man.
और फाइनली सलमान भाऊ, आपकी लाइफ का सबसे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट क्या है?
काफ़ी साल पहले पैसे वैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे और सुनील शेट्टी अन्ना की एक दुकान थी मिस्चिफ करके। तो एक दिन मैं चला गया वहाँ पर। अब महंगी दुकान थी, कुड नॉट अफोर्ड मोर देन वन शर्ट और वन पेयर ऑफ जीन्स, और उस वक्त वो स्टोन वॉश जीन्स आई थी और मैं बूट्स पहनता हूँ तो वहाँ पर लिसन तो वो स्पर्स आए थे, तो मुझे वो स्पर्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, बट आई कुड नॉट अफोर्ड इट, सो आई जस्ट पिक्ड अप वन पेयर ऑफ जीन्स एंड सुनील सॉ दैट कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, तो उन्होंने एक अपनी तरफ से एक स्टोन वॉश का शर्ट मुझे दिया एंड देन ही सॉ कि मेरी नज़र स्पर्स पे थी, तो सो इनके फादर मुझे इनके घर लेके गए। उनके पास एक जोड़ी स्पर्स की थी और वो भी उन्होंने मुझे दे दी। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे यादें हैं। अब मेरी पिक्चर आई थी मैंने प्यार किया। भाग्यश्री ने डिसाइड कर लिया कि वो काम नहीं करेंगी, उनको शादी करना था, वो चले गई। 6 महीने तक मेरे पास कोई पिक्चर नहीं थी। हमारी जिंदगी में आ गए एक देवता समान आदमी। जिनका नाम है रमेश सुरानी। सो माई फादर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एक फिल्म इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रेड गाइड करके 2 फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की मैगजीन्स हुआ करती थी, वहां पर उन्होंने 2000 रुपए का ऐड डाला। रिक्वेस्टेड मिस्टर जीपी सिप्पी कि एक ऐसी फर्जी अनाउंसमेंट कर दो। वो अनाउंसमेंट उन्होंने की, कोई पिक्चर नहीं थी। रमेश जी उनके ऑफिस चले गए और उन्होंने उनको म्यूजिक के लिए उस वक्त 5 लाख रुपए का चेक दिया और उस 5 लाख रुपए की वजह से मुझे एक पिक्चर मिली, पत्थर के फूल। थैंक यू रमेश जी। हमारे यहाँ पर बोनी जी, बोनी जी हैज हेल्प्ड मी ऑल थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ। जब टाइम थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं चल रहा था तो बोनी जी ने मुझे एक फिल्म दी, वांटेड। कॉपी बैक। उसके बाद एक और फिल्म दी, नो एंट्री, which got Anil back.